back. In today's video, I am using my 35 Icy Fantasy palette by Morphe. I'm actually super excited to use this palette in my channel. I do not have any pastel color palettes, so when I received this palette, I was super excited. Kind of sad because it didn't really work out for me in the beginning, and I think I explained it a little bit throughout the video why it didn't work out for me in the beginning. But I actually got super excited, and I had already played with it before this video because I am trying to do a festival season series looks on my Instagram. So if y'all would want to follow me to see that, I will leave my link down in the description. But I'm gonna make this intro short again because I don't want to make long intros. So if y'all would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So to start my look, I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and then I went ahead and set it with this color, which is the Get Fresh right here. And I already did that before the video. I just had to make sure to actually prime your eyelid and set it because I tried it with just concealer like I always do, because y'all know that I do not prime my eyes, and that didn't work for me. The color wasn't sticking to my eye, so I had to go ahead and do the look all over again with primer and setting it. But make sure to set it because if it's not set, it won't stick for some reason. To start the look, I'm going to go ahead and start it with the color Sky High, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that all over my crease. See how it's actually sticking this time? Like, it's so much easier to actually stick with primer and after I set it, because when I did it the first time, it just was not sticking. Maybe it was just the colors, I am actually not sure. And to make the look a little bit more deep, I am gonna go ahead and use the color Deliver Shiver, which is a little bit more purple, dark purple. And I say dark because they're pastel colors, so it's not that dark. And it's gonna be this one. And I'm gonna put that all over my outer corner, so, and going a little up to my crease. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other brush that I was using that I put to do the pink and blend it together. I'm gonna cut my crease, and to cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the same eye primer I was using for my eye instead of concealer. And for my crease, I am using the color Cold Snap, which is this one right here. This one is one of the glittery colors, and honestly, I think from the whole palette, well, I'm not gonna say the whole palette because I haven't used all the colors, but I think I'm gonna like the glitters more because they're more easier to put on. And they're very, very, very pigmented and glittery. I really, really like them more than the shadows that I've used. I'm gonna go ahead and move to my under eyes, and for my under eyes, I am using the Marc Jacobs Pink of Me highliner. For lashes, I am gonna go ahead and use my Beige Cosmetics Falsies in the style N105. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Euphoria, which is this one right there. Honestly, this color, it is so beautiful, and I kind of understand the name of Euphoria. It's actually a white base with a purplish tone. For highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Brrrri-liant, which is this one. They're like so pigmented and so loose. I absolutely love them. For lips, I am using my Bare Minerals Minimalist lipstick in the color Insight. And to top it, I am going to use my Tarteist Lip Paint and the color Insta Famous, which is just a lip gloss with a lot of different colored glitters.